Our world is a gift, a home that provides us everything we need: clean air, water, food, and shelter. But how are we repaying this gift? Are we truly fulfilling our role as a steward of nature? In today's modern world, people are more focused on making a living, that they often neglect essential practices like tree planting, waste segregation, and water conservation, leading to a growing environmental crisis that threaten our planet.
Did you know? Environmental conservation protects wildlife and promotes biodiversity. Maintaining a healthy ecosystem may prevent an extinction of a certain species. If a part of the environment were to be destroyed, some animals may be forced to go out to find their new habitat, making it difficult for them to survive.
Locked in a stalemate, the man was no hope. Rocking a hard place, battling control. What am I waiting for? Seed planted beneath my compass, my transport.
Every action we take,
Locked in a stalemate, the man was no hope.
every decision we make,
Rocking a hard place, it's battering control.
has an impact on the health of our environment.
What am I waiting for? Seed planted beneath
Each one of us has the capacity to be a steward of the earth. It starts with embracing the nature and recognizing the responsibility that we have to protect it and preserve it.
Environmental conservation starts with us and their commitment to protect and preserve our planet. If we work together, we can protect our environment and improve everyone's quality of life.